If you could work from anywhere in the world, where would you go? In 2025, the digital nomad lifestyle isn't just a dream, it's a movement. And these 5 cities are where work and wanderlust finally meet. Remote work has exploded since 2020, but 2025 is different. It's not just about escaping the office. It's about building a lifestyle, one that balances productivity with freedom, affordability with inspiration. I'm the Travel Fixer, and today, I'll show you 5 cities that have mastered that balance. First up, Valencia, Spain's sunny underdog. Cheaper than Barcelona, calmer than Madrid, and twice as livable. You've got Mediterranean beaches, co-working cafes in historic buildings, and 300 days of sunshine that make every Zoom call feel brighter. Internet speed averages around 100 megabits per second. SIM cards are €10 a month. And you can rent a 1-bedroom flat near the center for under $1,000 USD. And when the workday's over, you're 5 minutes from the sea and surrounded by Spain's best food scene. Valencia's slogan should be, live local, work global. Next stop, Porto. Portugal's soulful creative heart. It's where tradition meets tech. A city filled with codfish, craft beer, and code. Internet speeds hit around 120 megabits per second. Co-working passes start at $10 per day. And you can live comfortably here on $1.200 per month. Porto is a nomad's haven because it feels authentic, less touristy, more real. The locals are welcoming, the pace is calm, and the sunsets over the river feel earned after a long day of work. Let's head east to Tbilisi, Georgia. This one's a fixer favorite. It's got history, hospitality, and ridiculously good value. You can rent a modern studio for under $500 per month, eat like royalty for $10 a day, and work from cafes with Wi-Fi that rivals major European cities. Tbilisi's digital nomad visa allows you to stay up to a year, and the expat community is thriving. Coders, designers, writers, all drawn by the mix of low cost and high culture. And when you need a break, the mountains are 2 hours away. Now let's go coastal, Split, Croatia. Ancient stone streets, crystal clear water, and reliable internet at 80 megabits per second average. It's a city that works as hard as it chills. Nomad visas are easy to get, English is widely spoken, and you'll find a balanced cost of living at about $1.400 per month. You can start your mornings swimming, work by noon, and catch a ferry to an island by evening. No vacation days needed. Split is where balance becomes a habit. And finally, Taipei, Taiwan. The underrated powerhouse of Asia. Fast, safe, efficient, and incredibly digital nomad friendly. Internet averages 150 megabits per second. Co-working memberships start at $120 per month, and street food meals cost under $3. Taipei is for nomads who love order with a side of chaos. Structured mornings, spontaneous nights. You'll meet entrepreneurs, students, and remote workers all sharing the same rhythm. Work hard, wander often. So there it is, the Fixer's top 5 cities for digital nomads in 2025. All affordable, connected, and filled with life. The beauty of remote work isn't escaping your job. It's redefining what work feels like. Remember, it's not about finding the cheapest place. It's about finding a place that lets you live well and work well. That's the Fixer way, where travel meets purpose. If this video helped you find your next city, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Comment which destination you'd start your digital nomad life in, and I'll reply with local hacks and hidden co-working gems. And don't forget, I curate custom itineraries for remote workers, digital nomads, and anyone chasing freedom. Links in description. Let's fix your 2025 travel plan together.